What one of just not subscribers? What you guys doing? People, St. Anne people, Alexander District people. What a wicked act. Wicked act. This little 14-year-old boy people we're not gonna see on this video dancing and carrying into a mass. People, y'all see the part of the video where the father come take him out of the mass. You know, Saturday morning people pass you get and see him lifeless body laying on the ground people. Head bashing. Church and no people. This little boy named Jordan people. And the song is dancing to also our Jordan into the song or it named Jordan, Row Jordan people. Row. People are saying that this little boy always go to church and carry on the same way all the same carrying right now people. You know? And there's a theme from there. People think of this. What is little youth can do to him father that's him father doing this wicked act? Judge and no star. Judge and no. Yo, people, I feel it to my heart. No, I'm telling no lie. General people, for real, man. Feel it, man. The people are saying that the father always abusing this little youth. You hear that? Always abusing. Channel star, for real. People, please subscribe. Like and share. Judge and know. People, please look in. If you want me, if you see the full video, people, just check in on WhatsApp. Channel star, people, feel our way, people. Yeah, man, feel our way, people, trust me.
Good night. I don't want me heard it happen. When somebody called me this morning early in the morning as me reach and work, so I get the call. And I said, you don't know, say Kasha kill Jordan. Me I say, how Kasha fi kill Jordan? How kind of style that you know? What kind of story that you know bring? So yes, Kasha kill Jordan. Me say, how Kasha fi kill Jordan? What happened? The person tell me say Jordan did there one night, but which part of set the night there? I mean know who did everything. So them a tell me say did a maxi night. But I don't know who, but me know who. Say she did that in my night and Kemar. That's the woman that did son. In the video when you hear when the youth you see in the white Ganzi and the shorts, the orange color shorts. And he must say, Kino did they trouble Jordan and I said, go to Jordan and this and that and but for a long time for the little boy, I say him love go on, you know. Any little thing, any little church function or any little thing, him ever did it. Him ever and dance up and go on the most way. I show off, cash off, show off the father. I show off my bumble, show off. I didn't want the people him kill him down there, you see. Kind of have no sense. I show off, him a show off. Him a go judge Jordan out of the place and I go like him a fool. Them say I lick Jordan and when him lick him, it's like him see like him now move. So him draw him out of the house back and rest him down in the bush. But when him rest him down in the bush now, him rest him down in the bush for go call Fiend friend that I want youth run down the road. But to him put him in the bush and go down there and never, they say never, so him a wait. So the wait him a wait now. And Jordan up there in the bush, you know, and him a wait. He no tell nobody. He never tell nobody saying lick Jordan and Jordan now move. But he come up back and them say he come up back and go in the yard and he no want go in. So truth a bother him now say Jordan in the bush and Jordan now get up. It a bother him. So I'm sister-in-law, which is him brother, baby mother. She for the two yard them back to back. So she then say she go on the line and go hang out something now. And then when she you know take a sack no, I in the early morning find out you know, she a say, oh Jordan lie down this so. So she a call the father and I say come look it's Jordan lie down and so and I get up and she a call Jordan and Jordan answer. So she put on the clothes when she in the line now and go touch him and see him dead and make the alarm. Kasha crosses every time that from the set of them, the set of brother them ever create a different set of scene. Me I tell you a different set of scene this set of people they ever create. And that's why him love go like him aggressive. Because him papa used to beat them papa used to beat them, you know. So he come like say them don't know say now them come and get the picnic them and they don't know say them fi grow the picnic them good. Grow the picnic them good and stop beat the picnic them like them like the picnic them animal. Right now in Granny I think them say Granny did down at Charlton Hospital. I don't even know if she come up back yet. Because they say the woman dropped down. That time mother, in grandmother. Them say the woman dropped down. The woman said she can't believe. You see, if him did ever make them find out long time before the alarm and the police them come, them would have surely kill him. Me go call back my friend because I want to find out how the police them come quick enough that they not kill him because me know say down there so them will kill him. The people them will kill him. It seems like a bike show because I come entire everything same way. It seems like him a come from bike show. Him ride bike, you know, him always go do bike stunt and them thing there. So it seems like a bike show him a come from. But you see which part of the yard there is not far from them the yard where Cashway live. It's not far from them yard. It's just a little stone throw from the yard. So if him go on a bike show and Jordan go for it, he not supposed to come and go on so. Because I'm far from the yard. And far from the yard. And far from Fikasha yard they set up the Dagwana. That me I try to say. And far and through the bands there. It seems like through the bands there, you know, entertain him so he go over there. But him father will come, he look like him father come from bike show. He would have come from bike show and around will be here. Would have done that side him come from. 2 years ago when my nephew dead. Yeah, me look at my sister son dead. And look my sister son dead at home, you know, get gunshot. And we are keep the setup night was we did have bands too. You don't see nothing yet. And that the night the Jordan dance. Jordan go out with a whole heap of things that night and it was only 12. It was only 12. But in another case, me don't think Kasha would have want to come and set up the come Jordan and we there. Come brother did that. So he would come, they come go on so. Kasha know who first set up for go Jordan and go on and made it. Cause last time in go over kiddo. One other yard in front of our yard. The man come from front and keep him up and him say, "More Jordan over there, cause Jordan love bring up the vibes and sit, you know." And Kasha go and put him a car Jordan name and a film pick me. I'm mad. Kiddo make sure warn him, I will shoot you, don't touch him. So Kasha couldn't trouble Jordan. So you know, I show off Kasha show off and go little boy and end up my little boy there. I show off my show, I think he might come from nah come out. So make him stay there. You know, so one time I go country now, I think in December, in the last year December, I think December last time I go country. You know, so I go country, but my next friend that tell me say Jordan mother did go past Sparlingsville like she gonna live with one youth. Cause she left Cash a long time, you know. Jordan mother left Jordan father a long time. Like she did go, Jordan father can't keep no man. Cause you don't know nothing about him, he's miserable. Him tan bad. So Jordan mother did leave him a long time. I left him with Jordan. I think them did say she live up at Sparlings with her man.
To see the video of Jordan when his father Bastion has had, check my WhatsApp at 8765658124.